Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my stack of books. This is my stack of my favorite books to color during the fall season, so September, October, November, sometimes actually August. So some of these are specifically fall books while others are not, but I wanted to share them all with you and it's a huge stack. So let's get started. The first is Witch Season. Now, some of these I have just printed out a few choice PDFs that I plan to color this fall season. However, the entire book or PDF books will be linked in the description below. So this is Witch Season by Yana Prosperina. I really love her work, and as you can guess, it's all witches. And I picked those two pretties to work on this year. And then Moonlight Fantasy, also by Yana Prosperina. She has tons of autumn and witch themed books, in case you're curious. So I picked these two. And then, what do you know? Autumn Fairies by Yana Prosperina. So I picked out this one. Will I color all these before November 31st or 30? It's 30th. Who knows? I'm gonna try. But these are my favorites. So Whimsical Darlings Halloween Edition, also by Yana Prosperina. I love using markers on these, so I printed them on my marker paper. And no, they aren't all PDFs, don't worry. This is Witches by Coco Wayo. I have the PDF version. I think I also have the printed edition in here too, but I printed out a few that I want to work on. Are they all with the black? This one, I mean, is so cute. A witch making her own cauldron bath. So, and then I have Green Witches by Coco Wayo. Also a PDF. Look at that one. Isn't that cool? Okay, now on to the non-PDFs. So Fairy Touch of Magic by Klara Markova. You can get this on Etsy or from her store. It is pretty expensive, but a lot of the images in this one are more like fall themed and Halloween themed. This book is actually pretty heavy on the fall and Halloween. And I have quite a few whips I started apparently. As you can see there. But yeah, I mean, overall, it's a really cute book. It's one of my favorites. I mean, look at the title page. So, okay. Then I have Halloween Mischief and Magic. This is by Jane F. Hankins. I have not colored in this, but it is pretty fun. I'm going to do quick flip throughs simply for the sake of time. But yeah, these are really cute. Her style is very whimsical, sort of wacky, but fun. Okay, Country Farm Scenes. Not a like actual themed book, but a lot of the pages I love to do, like this one right here with all the pumpkins and sunflowers. A lot of them I want to do in fall colors. So that's why this is in my stash, because I tend to color in this one rather fall-esque. I don't know. Like, see that one? I did that one last year and made it all fall. So it's just something about this book. It feels more fallish. Enchanted Faces. This is the pocket size by Hannah Lynn. There's quite a few images in here that are like Halloween themed and fall themed. Others that aren't, but I just enjoy coloring in them and grabbing the ones that are. Okay, The Flower Year by Layla Dooley. This is literally laid out by month. So like near the back of the book, we have October. This is all like pages for September. In fact, there's one here I need to do the background on. There's one here for November I had started and I didn't finish. So it's a fun one because it's year-round, but then you have pages specific, kind of like Seasons from Hannah Carlson. Covers all 4 seasons, with fall being towards the back. Let me see. But so here we are into like the fall pages. little witches and whatnot. So it's a pretty fun one for fall. Like I said, it doesn't have to be a fall themed book. Okay, I have the Kawaii Witch coloring book. I believe this is, I can't remember the artist's name. I will link to all these, or try to. I usually do these in marker, but it's really cute. And then I do have a few from Korilynn. So I have the Chibi Witches. And these, again, I would also do in marker. I'll just like, you know, scan them, print them on marker paper because I don't like create space. This is Witches. Now I had picked out some PDF pages, but this is the book. I had tried to color that one at one point. And then we have the Chibi Girls Halloween from Korilynn. Hey, there's my swatch chart. I've been looking for that. It was in my book. As you can see, I've colored some with marker. But I want to, usually I will scan them again and color with marker on better paper. Then I have the Whimsical Halloween Grayscale by Molly Harrison. This is pretty heavy grayscale, but the images are so cute. And I have not colored in this one yet, I think. So that should be a priority this year, huh? Okay, then I have Witchcraft. This is a PDF. I have it split up, but it's by Mystic Art Mirrors. And I haven't colored in it yet, but they're all very, well, they're witches. So it just seems more like I would have more fun with it in the fall season. Then I have Autumn Charm. So it's an actual fall book by Teresa Goodridge. I have quite a few whips already going in here and quite a few pages I've already done. So yeah, this is one of my favorites. I ended up losing one of my other autumn books from her. It's one of my older ones, so I had to reorder it, so that's on the way. Gnome Sweet Gnome, not all fall, but there's actually quite a few pages in here that I would do as a fall theme, such as this one here that will be in my completed pages for September. So yeah, there's quite a few in here, and that one as well. I did a lot of these this month already. I need to make sure I put that aside so I don't forget that that's a finished pages book. Okay, and then Autumn Harvest. This is one of the Teresa Goodridge ones as well. This one's super cute. I believe I must have started a page. Oh, I did, and it was a gnome. Man, what's with me and gnomes? All right, and then, oh, Tales from the Witch's Cottage, I think is how you say it, from Hannah Carlson. Very Halloween-themed book, fall and Halloween. Obviously, I mean, it's Witch's Cottage. You don't have to do this one in the fall, though, but like I have a whip right now. I was debating on the background, but yeah, this one I get to set aside so I can get some Neo colors out. Okay, and then I won't flip through these, but I have some Coloring Heaven Halloween themed ones. So I have the Halloween special issue 54. I have the Bad Girls Halloween. I had gotten this one after Halloween last year, so I'm really excited to work in this one this year. The Witches Compendium. This is just literally a whole compendium of tons of witches. Some my style, some not, but compendiums are always fun. This is issue 66 Halloween special. Well, this is Halloween special issue. Normally it's right there. Issue 80. So I have 3 different Halloween specials, but they always feature different artists and they're really fun. I recommend them, and you can get them now, I guess, in PDF form. So I'm going to start doing that. I have Christy Rice's Fall Cutting Garden. This is a watercolor book, so I really want to do something in here this year. It's on nice thick paper. I wouldn't call it watercolor paper, but I do want to do something in there. Oh, I've run out of space. I'm going to be leaving these all in a pile. Studio. All right, Country Gardens by Teresa Goodridge. Again, not a fall-themed book, but a lot of pages that you'll want to just do in fall colors. So like this one here, I would totally want to do in fall colors. This one I'll probably start doing some fall stuff on, but yeah. So not all the pages, but there's still a select few that you can make fallish. And then I have two from Maria Trolle. They are not specific to fall, but she always has pages that are very fall-like. And any page really can be transformed into something fall. I mean, like these ones here, I definitely picture as like a fall coloring palette. So I have Twilight Garden and Nightfall in my pile. And then I have the Draglings by Randall Spangler. There's actually quite a few Halloween themed ones in here, or like fall themed. So I'll be probably scanning this because it's on icky paper, but I don't know, I just get fall vibes from this for some reason. So I'll be doing that one. This one here is From Halloween to Christmas. It's a special from Daria Sakasoy. So those are the Christmas ones. Let's see. Okay, now we're into the Halloween ones. These are all like Halloween specific. Some of these I've done the PDF version of, and now I want to go back and color in the book. So I have that to work on. And then I have two Romantic Countries. These two I felt have a lot of fall and Halloween pages. So the first tale, kind of go through, you have some right here, like the trick or treat page. I've got a stack of books in my way. So yeah, like this one I've seen done in like spooky colors. There's a lot, like this one I've seen done all spooky. And then the third tale is pretty heavy actually on Halloween and fall images. Like see right here, this is because like there's a whole chapter devoted to like the witch's cottage and village and stuff like that. So that's why I have the third and the first. Oh, look what I found. It was in the stack. Autumn Scenes. I should cancel that order. This is by Teresa Goodridge. So obviously this one's super fall. I actually started this one with Derwent's, oh my gosh, can't think of the word. It's a set of 24 pencils, limited palette, but I need to go back and finish that one. But yeah, very fall themed. You know, actually, I'll keep that order pending because some of these I want to redo. I don't like the way I had done them before. But yeah, cute book. I think I have a tutorial on my channel for that one. But I also have two from Kanoka Ugusa. One is Garden of Fairy Tale Animals. One is Kingdom of Curious Creatures. And that's because there's some really good fall themed images in here. Other holidays too, like this is winter. This wreath could be winter or fall. So like right here, this could be winter or fall. This leaf one I would totally do for fall just because of all the maple leaves in it. This whole double page spread is super fall-esque. It's like a whole fall harvest. So for example, on that one, and then like Kingdom of Curious Creatures, again, they cover multiple seasons in their books, but I'm trying to just show you a few of the pages where I'm like, ooh, that one says fall. Can't remember where it is in here. If I was smart, I would mark them ahead, but who's got time for that? Not this page. Maybe it was the other book. Because I'm not seeing, oh, the mushroom pages. Yeah, because the mushrooms I tend to associate with fall. I don't know why. This is a good one for fall as well, with all the acorns. This one as well for the harvest. So it was at the beginning of the book, that's right. So yeah, tons of pages in there that you can use. Okay, every year for Halloween, I break out Victorian Darlings from Hannah Lynn. I don't know why, but it just screams Halloween to me. Maybe it's just there's nothing super Halloweenish about it, but I just want to work on like Victorian and steampunk things during Halloween time. I don't know why. I mean, she's super Halloweenish though. Look, she's making potions. So yeah. I also have the Enchanted Halloween book from Hannah Lynn. And this one is, of course, all Halloween themed and fall themed. That one would be really fun. So loads of pictures in there to do. Oh, I so want to redo that one. And luckily, because you get 2 copies, I can. I hated how that one turned out. It's like, ah. So yeah, that is... Oh, and I do have my Sweet and Simple Whimsy Girls one, and that's just because there are some fall-themed ones in here that I like to belt out. Just, they're quick and easy pictures. They're like little snacks, so you can finish one and you feel like you're productive, even though you got like another project. So yeah, those are my favorite books to color in fall. Are they all fall themed specifically? No. And the whole point of that in this video is to prove you don't need to just buy fall books or Halloween books. Unless your budget allots, then you can start going for books that are specific to a season. But just about any coloring book will most likely have 1 or 2 pages that go over that season. And as you can see, I really have more books that are not specific to Halloween and fall than I do, the opposite in my pile to work on. But I will be working on this group that I've shown you exclusively from now until end of November. So if there's anything you would like to see a color along, tutorial, or even a full flip through because you've never seen the book before, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you're going to be working on any of these books as well. And until next time, take care. Bye now.